Primeiru Ministru husu aumenta kuantidade produtu no Timor Leste iha. Xefe Governu promete a nafatin apoiu ba setor privado ba inisiativa investimentu sira.
Primeiru Ministru Kairala Sanana Guzmão apela ba entidade Seto atau serviço macas onde aumenta a quantidade de produção ba produtu sira nebe Timor Leste iha atau nune bele responde ba mercado nacional nomos mercado internacional. Xefe Governu atau exigência ne li husi discurso iha abertura dili International Trade Expo tinang rimroron resen 5 quinta semana ne.
We must produce more of what we eat and use. We must process more of our own coffee, sandalwood, coconut and fish, and other things. We must sell not only to ourselves, but, if it is possible, to the world. Every Timorese product that replaces and import strengthens our independence. Every product that finds a market overseas brings income to families and gives real meaning to our sovereignty. We all know a strong economy cannot be built by government alone. Nowhere. It is business, small shops, farmers, fishers, traders, manufacturers and innovators that drive growth.
Xefe Governu aprecia a empresa nacional sira hahu sikik no medio nebe makahu produção na produto oin no mos fo marca ba produto hirak nebe Timor Leste iha.
We need to create jobs, to reduce poverty, and to give our young people the chance to build their lives in our country. This is the challenge of economic sovereignty. Our strategic development plan set our long-term vision to develop our people, build critical infrastructure, and create a diversified and resilient economy. The government's program builds on that vision. It focuses on creating jobs, attracting investment, supporting the private sector, and preparing Timor Leste for ASEAN membership.
Iha International Trade Expo tinang rimroron resen 5 ne, entidades susirailaran no railiur apresentamos produto nebe makiha. Exposição internacional ne, hahu iha lorong ron resen walu fulang ne, no se remate a lorong ida fulan setembro ne. Aderto Simenes, bem-vindas Simenes Jemen.